Good afternoon, Arlington families. Today is Monday, September 25th, and it's a very rainy day, but it's been raining all weekend, so I hope everyone's doing well in this horrible, gloomy weather. At least our grass is really enjoying it. It's growing almost like grass. Anyway, I apologize for delaying getting this video out, but again, today is September 25th, Monday. Tomorrow, September 26th, is our coffee, cake, and conversation opportunity with me. There's two sessions. There's an 11 o'clock session, and then there's a 6 p.m. session. Then on the 27th and 28th are our activity fairs for our students at the high school, for an opportunity to see all the different clubs and activities that we offer at the high school to really tap into what students are interested in. So please let your child know that this activity fair is going on and to take a look at the different tables and programs that we have to offer. Then on the 27th, we have our third period assembly with our 11th and 12th graders. They'll either go to cafeteria C and D or the auditorium, and they'll see either James' Warriors with our seniors or Timm with our juniors. These are motivational speakers, positive discussions for our students. Then the ninth graders are going on the 28th, again, also third period, and that's on the 28th. Again, ninth graders will be seeing Mykee Fowlin on the 28th, third period. And then our sophomores will be going on October 18th, and that had to do with just not able to get all our speakers in on the same day or two. And that's Thomas Grimes, and he'll be discussing social media. Thomas Grimes will also be staying back with us that afternoon, that evening, to also offer a family workshop. So we're excited for these opportunities and learning sessions for our students. Then also on the 27th is our class of 2025, our junior class assembly. That's at 6:30. That will be a parent evening meeting to discuss the college process. Then on the 28th, we have our college fair. That's at 5:30 at night on Thursday the 28th, and that's open to all students, all grade levels in the building. So please come out, enjoy that, and see the different representatives from around the area. Then on the following week after that, we have our open house on the October 5th. So we have that opportunity, two different sessions where you can follow your child's schedule and meet their teachers. There's one at about 12 o'clock, and then there's one at 6:30 at night. Again, that's October 5th. Students are dismissed at around 10. It's a half day for classes, and then they have an opportunity to go for the families to come in and visit the classrooms. So, and progress reports for the first quarter end on October 6th on Friday. That's also the same day as our homecoming. So we have a bunch going on. If you have any questions, please reach out to your house grade level school counselors or administration to give you more details, or email any one of us and we'll be happy to help out as best as we can. Be well, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.